Hey guys, Blake here, ModologyMotorsports.com. I wanted to do a quick update because I was getting ready to take this dash cam back to Walmart. The button, the snap and save button that came with it, it didn't work. Pressing the button on the side to manually record a clip didn't work. It didn't save anything. Like, you could press the button and it would show the key icon, and then as the card filled up, it would just record over everything, even something you had manually saved. So before I took it back, I was going to try to replace the battery in the snap and save button to try that before I just return the whole thing. And here's that adventure. Guess I'm back in the car. I brought a couple of these mini screwdrivers out. And I'm going to take the back of this off and find out what kind of, what batteries it's got. And I'm going to head to the store and see about getting a replacement. See if that'll help. And here it is. It's a lot bigger than I thought it would be. This is CR2032 3 volt. So I guess maybe it just died, but... And it's, like I say, it's a fairly large little button cell battery. I thought it would be a lot smaller, like a watch battery. But okay, let's go change it and then see if we can get it to work. They only sold the batteries in a 2-pack. You couldn't buy just a single one, of course. So, alright, here it is. Let me get it when I'm installed, and maybe it'll work for me this time. Okay, here we go. Time for the moment of truth. The power on. Okay. It's so bright in here you can't really see the screen well. But, alright. Here we go. Oh, I saw a camera flash up, and there's the key too. There we go. There's the little key icon. So that was with a button press. It wasn't doing this when I got it. So it should be saving the clip now. So this will be our test clip. I'm going to drive around for a couple days and see if, let the card fill up. And then we'll see if this test clip is still on here. But it was just a dead battery in the remote, and it's working now. So that's great. We'll just see how the rest of it turns out now. Now, as you can see from this clip, when you press the snap and save button, it works, and it works fine. I waited a couple days to let the card fill up, and this clip that you're seeing now was still on there. It was in a folder by itself, so it had already recorded over everything else for that day and had left the clip that I'd saved just by pushing the button. Overall, the quality of the camera is still okay. One of the few things I don't like is like if a car pulls out in front of you and you press the button to save the clip, when you go back and review it, just the lens on the camera to get that wide angle effect doesn't make the car really appear as close as it was. So it's kind of deceiving in that way. Like if you show somebody the clip, it would look like maybe you were just, I don't know, jumping the gun a little bit about, you know, well, they weren't as close as it looked, but hey, you know, it's just it's the lens on the camera. So I'm going to keep it, and I'll be using it for future videos for the channel. But I just want to give everybody an update, considering it wasn't working 100% in the last video, but the button, the snap and save button, is the way to go as far as saving clips and making sure they're saved permanently. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.